We'll guide you through how to create a Wix website in 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner. You'll need to sign up for an account if you don't have one, or you can log in if you're already a member. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. This can be anything from a business site to a personal blog. Wix offers a wide range of templates tailored for different purposes, so take your time to browse and select one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, click Edit to start customizing. You'll be taken to the Wix editor where you can modify text, images, and layout. Simply click on any element you want to change, and a menu will appear with options to edit. You can drag and drop elements to reposition them, and Wix offers various tools to enhance your site's functionality, like adding a contact form or a booking system. If you want to change the color scheme or fonts, you can do so by clicking on the Design button on the left-hand side. This lets you maintain a consistent look throughout your site. Once you're happy with the design, click Preview to see how it looks live. If everything looks good, click Publish on the top right to make your site go live on the internet. Wix will provide you with a free Wix domain, or you can connect your own custom domain if you have one. Remember, you can always go back and make changes even after your site is published. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.